Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm just getting back from my Sunday afternoon hunt. Big time aluminum. Some nice old car chrome. Found a bunch of usual junk. Found some cool stuff. This is kind of combined from a couple of different hunts. Found this today, 41 caliber. More of the same, two calibers that I find at this one place. This is a 3856. Place. It's got a naked lady on it, heads and tails. Found two of those, and a quarter and a dime and a bunch of pennies. This little pointed piece here, I'm not sure what it is. Nice signal. It's kind of little punch pin, flat on both ends there. Harmonica. This was pretty neat. Still have the latch and everything on it. It actually goes to an old wooden refrigerator or icebox. The little bit of research that I did on it told me that. I found one that looked just exactly like it. I don't know, I found some odds and ends, a couple pairs of old glasses. I don't know if that's one of the big light bulbs or some kind of little thermostat. It's got big threads on it. Some plumbing. A few broken Indian artifacts. Big old roll of copper wire. I could only guess that this would be an old headlight or an old mirror off a car. Found a pretty good spoon today. It's got to be plated. I don't see any silver marks on it. I haven't checked into it, but it says community on it. Sure looks like it's silver plated. It looks like it's peeling off in there. I like it. Found an old pocket knife. Pretty busted up shape. A little square nail I found on a different hunt, not today. Little copper stuff. This is pretty neat. It's some kind of a latch. It says patent March 1901, which I don't know if it's from 1901 or not, but the patent is from then. Don't know. I would think some kind of a window latch, some kind of latch. I'll have to check that out. Neat find. Found an Oklahoma Sooners. I have no idea what that would go to. We're in Texas. Get out of here, Oklahoma. No, I'm just kidding. Go Longhorns. Alright, that's about it. This is a center cap for a Pull forward. Front end parts to one. This is a really cool thing to me. Looks like an old piece of chain. These links aren't anywhere close to made in any kind of just kind of oblong, you know. That one's a one solid piece, and this one's two pieces beat together. Usually chain links look perfect. These sure aren't. I can't see what that says on it. Anyway, everybody have a good evening. That's about all I got, other than a bunch of junk in the back of my truck that I keep talking about cleaning out, but I never do. All right, adios.